Idol, anong pakiramdam na sikat? Paano maging sikat? Para maging sikat, pagbutihin mo yung trabaho mo, always give your best, tas minsan tadhana lang yan, all in God's time. Sa 10 magagaling, may iba, swerte at the right place, at the right time, in God's time, merong palakasan, kakilala, may mga, alam mo na, so, ganun lang talaga. And then, feeling na sikat, maganda, masaya. At the same time, maraming pros and cons. Pros, kilala ka na lahat, magagamit mo siya, na pwede kang kumita, ma-monetize, dahil kilala ka, endorsement, shows. At the same time, cons, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung privacy mo pag lumabas ka, kilala ka. And then, pag may nangyari, kunwari, for example lang, may nag-name drop ng pangalan mo, kunwari, tauhan mo o ano, automatic, tauhan ni ganito yung sikat na personality, hindi yung tauhan. So, nadadrag yung name mo. And then, may mga bagay ka na hindi pwedeng gawin kasi mataas tingin sa'yo ng tao. And syempre, kailangan good role model ka. So, may kasama siya, with great power comes great responsibility. Tama kayo, mali ako na